Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install FiveM on your PC if you own GTA 5 on Steam. FiveM is a popular multiplayer modification framework that allows you to play on custom servers with unique mods and game modes, and having it set up properly is essential to enjoy everything it offers. First, make sure you have a licensed copy of GTA 5 from Steam. FiveM won't work without an official copy of the game, so check that your installation is up to date. Once you've confirmed that, head over to the official FiveM download page. Look for the Download Client button and click it to start downloading the installer. You'll be asked to read the terms of service, so take a moment to review them and then click Sure, I agree if you accept. If the download doesn't start immediately, check your browser settings to make sure downloads from the site are allowed. After the download is complete, run the fivem.exe file. The installer will download around 200 megabytes of additional files to get everything set up. During installation, it will prompt you to select the folder containing GTA 5. Since you're using Steam, this is usually located at disk:/steam/steamapps/Grand Theft Auto 5. The installer might detect your folder automatically, which makes things easier. If it doesn't, you'll need to browse to the Steam installation folder manually and select it. This ensures that FiveM can access the game files correctly. Once the installation finishes, you can launch FiveM. The first time you open it, it may take a few minutes to initialize and load necessary data. After that, you'll be able to access a wide variety of custom servers, mods, and multiplayer experiences that aren't available in the standard GTA 5 online mode. FiveM also allows you to connect with friends, join roleplay servers, or explore creative custom maps and mods. Remember, it's always important to keep both GTA 5 and FiveM updated to avoid compatibility issues. You can also customize your installation settings in FiveM, like choosing the installation directory or enabling optional mods and resources. That's everything you need to know to get FiveM running on Steam. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Drop a comment below if you run into any issues, and I'll try to help you out in the next video.